In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can use Pathfinder and Compound Path to make clippings of your images in Adobe InDesign. So first I'm going to create some ellipses with my ellipse tool. And when I'm happy with my ellipses, I'm going to select everything with my selection tool. Then I'm first going to make a copy by holding the Alt or Option key. And then with this copy, we're going to use afterwards with the Compound Path. Now I'm going to select all the ones on the left again. In Pathfinder, I'm going to use the Add option to combine all the shapes. And as you can see now, all my shapes are combined. And what I can do now is drag in my image like this and then choose Fit Frame Proportionally. And now my image has been clipped in all my bubbles, my circles, which still have a stroke I see, and I'm going to remove that stroke now, like this. Now, this is the option using the Pathfinder tool. If I press W to see the preview, this is what it will look like. I'm now going to select all my ellipses on the right, and I'm going to go to Object, and here I'm going to Compound Path, let's see, Paths, make Compound Path. And now these ellipses have been transformed into a compound path. I'm going to delete the stroke also. And again, I'm going to drag in the exact same image to these frames. And then I'm going to go to Fitting and Fit Frame Proportionally. Now the big difference which you can see here, when using the Pathfinder, all my objects are combined as one. The objects who are overlapping each other form one object. Here, the objects which are overlapping each other do not form one object, so that's a big difference between using a Pathfinder or a Compound Path as a clipping option in Adobe InDesign. And let's press W again, and this is our preview. This is what both of them look like. Left is Pathfinder, right is the Compound Path. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.